Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to create a gold title in Filmora 12. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. To create title, go to the stickers and search for gold. Now here you will see lots of options for backgrounds, overlays and animated clips related to gold. So first we need a background. Drop any background of your choice on track 1, then go to the effect and again search for gold. Now choose and drop any overlay on track 2, then go to the titles and drop this 3D light flow title on track 3 and adjust its duration. Then enter your word and change font to something bold. Then choose 3D gold preset. There are many options. Then go to the 3D animation and choose in animation according to your choice. Now again go to the stickers and search for gold and drop this award ceremony particle on track 4. Then drop platinum jubilee animation on track 6. Then adjust its start point as per 3D text animation. Then increase its size and place it on letter O. Then unlink the scale and adjust it on letter O. Don't change scale X and Y too much. Then go to the color and do some color adjustment to match it with our gold title. Then reduce its duration to match the clip. Then drop the particle line on track 6 and adjust it according to the gold word animation. Then go to the transform and place it under the word gold on position keyframe. Then few frames before the end, make it travel to letter D and on opacity keyframe. Then at the end, set opacity to 0. Then change the track position, shift track 4 clip to track 7 and track 6 clip to track 4 and track 6 clip to track 4. Then shift track 7 clip to track 6. Then go to the effect and apply auto enhance effect. Then apply sharpen effect by New Blue FX. Then apply Color Fixer Pro and adjust the color. Then finally apply cinematic bar. Now let's render it to see the preview. Now if you want to change the background, just simply drag and drop it on track 1. That's it for today. This is how you can create an title in Filmora 12 easily. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.